today's video, I think it'll be a bit of an infill video. We've got the wiring to do on the GS550, I know that for a fact, but I don't have enough time today, or this week even, to get my head around the wiring. I've left it for so long, doesn't need much doing, I've just left it for so long. It's just the rear lights and the indicators. Like I said, I've left it for so long, I can't remember, or it's going to take me a couple, or an hour or so to get my head around what all the wires are, the wiring diagram and everything like that. I just can't remember it off the top of my head, so I'll have to retrace my steps with that. And we're also waiting for the crankshells for the CB750 and the tyres for the wheel behind me there. That has been ordered. Tyres will be here next week, so next week's video will be the new tyres. You can find out what I'm going to be putting on the CB750 and rebuilding the engine. So today, I've had this lying around for absolutely ages now. Air filter, oil filter, spark plugs and new oil for the Ducati. I've not given it a change since I've had the bike. Bad of me, I know that. It's kind of like the first thing I do whenever I buy a new car or a new bike. First thing I always do is make sure that all those things are fresh. You kind of don't know, well, you can kind of tell from service books if they've been serviced when the last time they had it was, but peace of mind, you always need to replace it. I've had the Ducati now for a while, May, June, probably June time, June, July maybe, and I've not done anything to it yet. I need to sort out, I need to give it fresh oil. I know from receipts and books that the cam belts have changed, and also had a service to measure the valve shims as well. I might check the valve shims, I'll see how I go for time today, but the most important thing I need to do, change the oil, change the filter, give it a fresh set of plugs. That's what we're going to be doing today. Nothing too strenuous, but it's just an update for you guys to see what I'm doing in the shop today. Let's do it. And with that all done now, I have got a few little parts of the Ducati. I know I've been bad. I know I said I wasn't going to do anything to the bike, but heck, it's an addiction. I've got to buy things for the bikes. So I've bought a wicked looking belly pan to put on the Ducati. That will be a video that's coming up next week or the week after. We'll see how we go with filming the CB750 and the GS videos, but that will be a video and it will look beautiful. So that is all I've got to say for today. As I said at the beginning of the video, we've got the CB750 tyres and engine rebuild coming up next week, and also we've got this amazing new merchandise as well on ForTheBoldIndustries.com. Enamelled mugs. We've got newly illustrated engines out, and you can buy those in tees or enamelled mugs. The enamelled mugs are amazing. If you want one of yours, if you've got either a CX engine or an XV engine or even a Boxer engine, check out if there's a mug for you up here, or even a tee. They look amazing on the tees. Until next week when we'll be having more of the CB750, see you then. Safe riding. Have a good weekend.